Some PowerShell commands need administrator permission to work correctly. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest ways to run PowerShell as an administrator on Windows, plus what to do when the administrator option doesn't appear. Let's get started. The simplest method is Windows Search. Open the Start menu, type PowerShell, and find Windows PowerShell in the results. Right-click it, then select Run as administrator. Windows will show a user account control prompt. Choose Yes to continue. When it opens, the title bar should indicate that PowerShell is running with administrator privileges. Here's another quick option. Press the Windows key and X together to open the Power User menu. Depending on your Windows version and settings, you may see Windows PowerShell or Windows Terminal. Select the administrator option if it's available. If Windows Terminal opens instead, choose the PowerShell profile and make sure Terminal itself was launched with administrator permissions. You can also start an elevated PowerShell session through Run. Press Windows and R, type PowerShell, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter instead of just Enter. This launches the command with administrator privileges and triggers the user account control confirmation. It's a handy shortcut when you don't want to search through menus. If PowerShell is already pinned to your taskbar, you can usually right-click its icon and look for the administrator option. On some Windows setups, you may need to right-click PowerShell again from the jump list before selecting Run as administrator. If the option isn't available, Start Search is the most reliable alternative. Before running commands that require elevated permissions, it's a good idea to confirm that you're actually in an administrator session. Check the PowerShell window title for the administrator label. You can also use a command such as net session. If the session is elevated, it should not return the usual access denied message. Be careful with administrative commands because they can make system-wide changes, and that's how to run PowerShell as an administrator. Start Search is the easiest method, while the Run shortcut is great when you want speed. Just remember, elevated PowerShell has much more access to Windows, so only run commands you understand and trust. And that's it, you're ready to work with administrator-level commands.